Research is all about passion and excitement, enthusiasm and a willpower to achieve which has never been done. And many students write to me asking, what are the exciting fields of research in which I can pursue my career? So this video is directed towards that. I'm going to enlist around 8 to 10 exciting fields where we can make career in the biological research arena. To remind you, 77% of Biotechnica audience is actually targeting research and development career, and I think you should too, because it's a very rewarding career. One of the ways to do that is, of course, pursuing a PhD in biological research, and that can be any of these 10 fields which I'm going to tell you. And if you are preparing for CSIR NET or GATE, you can always enroll at Biotechnica, which will help you pursue your biological research in a CSIR lab. Now let's get started with the video. The first field which is really exciting for me, and I think it will be exciting for you as well, and that is synthetic biology. Creating of organs, creating of biological systems which does not exist in nature but will be helpful in the future, and that's where synthetic biology comes into picture. It's an exciting field. You can always go for synthetic biology certification courses which is available at Biotechnica. That will give you much more insight on how you can develop synthetic organs which don't exist in nature, biological organs which will assist humans, and it's an amazing field, upcoming field, fastest growing field, and it's really exciting because you're doing something which has never been done. So synthetic biology is the top most exciting area. Now moving on to the second one, which is obviously CRISPR. Yes, you guessed it. CRISPR, gene editing, genome editing is a very big field. You can see that, like, today you have editors to edit your article, tomorrow you will have editors to edit your genome. And where it gets exciting is the moment artificial intelligence and bioinformatics and all these will come and amalgamate with our CRISPR technology, where you'll be able to design algorithms inside a computer of how to edit a gene, and then you'll be doing it in wet lab. So that is going to be very exciting. So CRISPR Cas9 genome editing technology is one such amazing field of research, biological research, and upcoming growing research, because a lot of billion-dollar companies are being built out of CRISPR. So, and it is a self-sustaining technology. You don't need external funding also, because there are a lot of companies who are already ordering CRISPR kits from these CRISPR companies like Editas. So yeah, this is an amazing field. Coming to the third one, which is a ever-growing, ever-popular field, and my favorite, and that is stem cells research. Now, stem cells, pluripotent cells, as you know, stem cells can be transformed into any organ, and today's organ donation industry is tomorrow's stem cells and organ industry. So you will be able to generate organs and transplant into a failing body, and you'll be able to revive the life, and that's an amazing field and amazing field. So why not go for stem cell research? You have amazing companies also in this field already doing a lot of credible research, and that's your Stemputics and many other companies. So stem cell research is, I think, a very, very good idea. Now coming to the fourth point which I would like to add here is neurobiology is another very, very interesting field, wherein you understand the nervous system, how the brain works, and probably neurobiology in future will transform into brain-machine interface, which is BMI, where you can also do a lot of research. So neurobiology and brain-machine interface, that is going to be one of the most exciting fields in the future, where you can make a career. You already have Neuralink doing that, and a lot of people trying to replace aging body, so the head from aging body to a new body. So this something like that. So neurobiology will come into picture there, and this is again a brilliant field. A lot of funding and research is going on in this direction. So neurobiological research is one ever-growing, ever-exciting field. Coming to the fifth one, it's a broad topic, but very interesting and important one, that is immunology, which also encompasses your study of immune system, how it defends and creates antibodies, so that we have a better understanding of how we will fight viruses of the future, how we will design vaccines of the future, and how we will avoid the next pandemic. So yeah, I think immunology is the fifth point I would like to add. Again, exciting field, and a lot of students write to me that they want to pursue their career in immunology. You have a lot of institutes in India as well as US, UK, China, Japan, which are exclusively working on immunology, like NII, National Institute of Immunology you have, and that's a brilliant field, I would say. So you should consider immunology as well. So the next field which I think I should highlight here is a little lesser known field but very powerful field, that is microbial ecology. Now, as you see the study of microorganism and microbial flora and how it interacts with the human body, because there are a lot of microbial flora on our body, within our body, which actually supports our body. So there is a good bacteria and a bad bacteria and all that. So microbial ecology is something which is a big science, and a lot of food companies are also investing on this. A lot of FMCG companies are investing on this, so you have a great career here as well. So microbial ecology is something which you can look forward to. The next one, which I think I should add here, is evolutionary biology, wherein, for example, humans every day are evolving. We are adapting to new situation, climate change, food habits, everything. So the way our economy moves, we are adapting, right? So our body is also adapting to newer normal, right? So evolutionary biology and how the world is evolving, how the species are evolving, and how they're adapting to the new way of doing things, new climate and new mutations which is happening in species. And that study, like studying bats or studying animals or humans or plants, how they are evolving. So that is again an exciting field, evolutionary biology, and a lot of research is going on in that. I think a majority of it is happening in US, India, as well as China. So yeah, if you have interest in, like, you want to become the Charles Darwin of this world, yeah, evolutionary biology is an amazing field, exciting field, where you can make a career. And the next one is going to blow your mind, and I am sure many of you love it, and that is cancer biology, right? Cancer as such is a disease which is spreading fast across human race. It's becoming a challenge, and many a times it is detected in the very late stage and people die. We lost so many great human beings like Steve Jobs because of cancer. And of course, as humanity, as humans, we don't want to lose talent to cancer. So a lot of research in India, US, China, Europe, you name it, Russia, Brazil, Argentina, lot of countries, lot of companies are involved, and billions of dollars of money is going into this research, because cancer is impacting everybody because of climate change, because of radiation, because of food habit, because of various other factors. It is impacting all of us, and we want a cure for cancer soon. And I've made a separate video for cancer biology, which you can refer to. Otherwise, you can also check out the cancer biology master course, which we have, certification course. That will definitely give you a lot of insight on how cancer works, how cancer biology works, how can you treat cancer, how can you become a cancer researcher. And we also have a list of cancer institutes across the world in that. So check that out. Link is in the description. So that was the 9th exciting field. Let's jump quickly to the 10th one. The 10th one is again a very exciting field and a new one, which is metabolomics. So how organism generates a full set of metabolites, and how exactly this relates to various biological functions and processes, and how it interacts with various diseases. So this is metabolomics, and this is a place where a lot of exciting research is going on across India as well as US. And I think I missed out on one more field which you should have is hepatology and parasitology. These are the two fields, again, you can also jump in. So I think I told you 10 to 12 fields, exciting fields where you can pursue your research. Now, whatever you do, I have a last message. Whatever you do, please look into the commercial aspects of it. Please look into how you can merge computers into it, how you can apply artificial intelligence, bioinformatics into all this, because eventually that is how you can accelerate your research, you can scale your research, and you can become much more valuable to the industry, because industry respects those who have a patent, who can help them save a lot of money, and who can accelerate their research, and you have to be that. So with these insights, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts, and we will debate once again in the future on the exciting fields or maybe impactful fields of biological research. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.